We are back with our friends at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, and joining us once again this morning is our friend Steve. How are you doing?
Welcome back.
So good to see you. I'm thrilled because today we are debuting a brand new product here at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, and it's something that is super trendy and the perfect way to spice up any room.
It is. It is. When we attend the National Home Builders Convention out in Las Vegas, we saw a lot of this product, and you start talking to decorators and architects, and they're starting to spec this product. And it's a very simple alternative to shiplap or nickel gap.
Okay.
And it's being referred to as a slat wall system. Today we're working with a product that's about 1 3/4 inches wide. We can take this out to 3, 4, 5
Wow.
inches wide,
Okay.
and put different profiles on it. This is just a simple trough detail today, but very dramatic. You have that one wall in a dining room, in your master suite. Do you want to set it off and feature it?
Sure.
They're using it on the ceilings.
Well, you know, and it's interesting too, because sometimes you have those rooms in your home and you look at the wall and you say, how do I decorate it? This would be a really great thing to do to really just add some life to it.
It's a great DIY project.
Do you have any suggestions or ideas on what to do in what room, or is it really a matter of preference?
It's preference in your decorating scheme.
Okay.
Today I went ahead and put a Minwax ebony stain on the red oak. And then this is our poplar, just with a low gloss primer coat.
Okay.
And we're going to be putting some more red oak on the special walnut.
Okay,
color.
well, Steve, I brought my glasses. You know I like to get my hands a little bit dirty, so can you show me how to do this?
Okay.
I want to see if I can really do it on my own.
I'll throw a couple in.
Okay.
And then we're going to have you do.
Perfect. Now, okay, so why is this piece a little bit shorter than this piece?
Okay, so it can be a cost savings. Hardwood lumber is typically sold in random lengths.
Right.
If you specify a length, 12 foot would be a 10% upgrade for specified length. 16 foot would be a 30% upgrade. So what we want to show the folks today, you can make this seam. Order your random lengths, stagger your joints, and take advantage of that cost savings.
What a great way to save a little bit of money. I love it. And you're saying that you're not even going to be able to notice the little line?
Well, let's see when.
Let's see.
We'll just do a dry fit.
Yeah. I mean, literally, you hardly see it, and this is without any finish over it.
If I go ahead and put this next solid board in.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Right?
Yeah.
And it disappears, and this is just the primer coat. So you put your finish coat on that, it's going to be gone.
And this is something you could do just in a day, right?
Oh, very much so. Very much so. It's very similar to installing hardwood floors. It's a tongue and groove assembly. So now we're going to switch up.
And I love too how the different finishes give it a different feel. Obviously this could be a little more rustic, it could still swing a little modern, and then this, it just warms up the whole space.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. And that's, you know, we want to show the folks some different options. Okay.
Can I try?
You're up.
My turn. All right. Let's see if I remember how to use this.
Okay, so if you're looking here, you're going in at an angle like that.
All right.
Okay.
Yep.
Squeeze the trigger.
All right, let's try. You know, I always get a little bit nervous during this part. All right. Bam. Right here?
Yep.
Bam. Steve, thank you so much. This is just such a wonderful thing to do. Super easy. And for people who are wanting to learn what the next step is, if they think this is something that would look great in their home, what's your biggest piece of advice? How do they get in touch with you?
1-800-732-1697, BairdBrothers.com, or stop in at 7060 Quarry Road.
So easy. Even I can do it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.